Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SL-G700 or G700 M2 CD player receiver amplifier, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the CDs are not playing, or if it's not making sound properly, if the buttons are not responding properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start with everything wiped off of it, this will do it and restore to its out-of-the-box factory defaults. So with it turned on, we're just going to use the controller, and we're going to, on the controller, we're going to come in and we're going to hit the NWP button. And once we hit the NWP button, then we're going to come down and hit the setup button. And we're going to keep an eye on this display when we do this. And so once we do that, then we'll use these arrows to toggle up and down until we get to initialization. So then once we get initialization on the screen, on the display, we'll hit OK. And then we'll just toggle up to yes, hit OK. And then another confirmation on the screen will pop up. You'll hit yes, OK. And then yes, OK again. And it will wipe everything off and restore to its out-of-the-box factory default settings.